Hello there. Welcome to class. I'm Miss Fowles. Please make sure, yes, you've got it. Paper, that you have paper out, yes, and a pen or pencil. We are going to do a review today. You're going, what? Yes, a review. Because next class period, you have a test over the material that we're going to review today. No, don't worry. This is material that we've just covered not too long ago. So if you follow me over to the board, okay, we're going to review past, and a lot. Okay, does that make sense? Does that refresh your memory? You're going, oh yes, we just did that. It should be okay. Fantastic. So it will not be that difficult. It will not be that hard. It'll be just fine. But remember, make sure you make a note on your paper. Next class period, we have a test. So let's do the review now, shall we? Are you ready to take down notes? Fantastic. Okay, so we've got past, and a lot. Now note, I circled that because we have two words. Remember, a lot is not one, it's two. There's a space lot. And yes, that's an L. There you go. In case you're going, what is that? There's an L there. Yeah, a little bit of cursive. Fancy writing, yes. So please remember, this is actually a phrase. Two words. Okay, when we talk about past, we're talking about like not fail. He passed his test. Okay, it's in the past tense. It happened a long time ago. It's over and done with. We can't change it anymore. It's gone. It's history. Versus now, present tense. So that is your past tense. If it were the present, if we're happening now, I pass my test every time. I pass my test every time. That's happening now. Compared to he passed his test. History, even 1 minute ago, it's history. Okay? To throw to someone, he passed the ball to her. Again, history. Moving by. So there's movement. I passed by her house. Or you could even say, I passed her cat. Amazing, huh? Here's a little cat, and you walk right by. Yay. I passed her cat on the way to work. Okay, I passed by his house. Different versions saying the same thing. Moving by. Again, keep in mind, history, past tense, it's over. We can't change it. Compared to the past, okay, so this one is different because it has different versions. In other words, different meanings. It is in the past. In other words, it is history. Okay, but like I said, different meanings. As a point in time. It's not happening now. So that is definitely in history. Okay, a point in time. The event happened in the past. Okay. Beyond. Okay. I went past the house. Here's the house. Here I'm going. I'm going farther. In other words, I'm going away from it. Again, past tense. Don't get it confused with this past. Okay? This is more history. Okay? More of happening. He went home at 2:30. What does that mean? At 2:30. Okay, so keep that in mind. The difference. You might think, oh, this is the same meaning. No, they have different meanings. So be careful. Now, we have a lot, which can mean either much or many. I have a lot of shirts. Many shirts. I have a lot of time. Much time. Again, here's an L. 2 words. A and then lot. Okay. Here at PA, in other words, at Precision Academy, we would like you to try to avoid using that phrase in your writing. Try to come up with something different. In other words, use much or many, or write the sentence so you don't have to worry about using a lot or lots of. They are overused. Okay. So we would like you to, yes, know how to use them. That's why we're practicing them. So in case you ever need to truly use these phrases, lots of, a lot of, okay, or just plain a lot. But for your writing, at least here at Precision Academy, try to come up with something else that means a lot or lots of. Does that make sense? Okay. So any questions? Any questions? No. So let's practice. Get your paper ready. I'm going to give you a few seconds to get yourself started. We're going to do fill in the blanks. Okay. Our first one is Peter worked on the car in the what word? Past? Which one? This or that? Yes, this one, because it's a point in time. So yes, it is history, but it's not that kind of history. Okay. Good job. They had blank of homework. You can think of much, so a lot. Yes, good. Remember, 2 words. She blanked the cookies to her mother. Exactly. Past. In other words, to throw to someone, to give to someone. Exactly. Again, do not confuse these two. Does that make sense? Are you ready for the assignment? The assignment is something that you've done, but it's good practice in preparation for the test, along with this review. So here's your assignment, folks. Make sure you get this. Right down here. Write a sentence for each word or phrase, because we have this one. So you have 3 sentences. So I want you to write one using past, or, not or, and a lot, not or. We need all 3. Okay, so you'll have a sentence for each. And do me a favor, underline. So let me write that on the side. Underline. Underline the words. Again, check to make sure you get these 2 correct. Don't mix them up. Quite often, it's right here that we get them mixed up. Right here. Moving by. I passed by her house. Okay, I went past her house. Okay. And then I like you to do the daily question right here. What would make a great graduation present? Everyone see that? What would make a great graduation present? A trip? A car? First year tuition to the college of your choice? What would make a great graduation present? So again, please remember, test. Let me write that up here. Next class period. Let me make sure. So I'm 100% correct. Don't want to say there's a test and then there's no test. Yes, there is a test. Next class time. So please be prepared. Be ready. If you have any questions about these 3 words, phrase, contact me. Consult with me. I'm only too happy to help you. That's why I'm here. I'm here to help you. Make sure you get these 2. Okay? They're so close. You're sitting there going, but they're both the past. Well, check. But what are they saying? Okay. How are they truly used? There's a difference between these 2. Okay? So, if there are no questions, remember, 3 sentences and then the answer to this wonderful question. today, and that is it. And just make sure that between today and next class session, you go over your notes, go over videos. Well, I should say video. Well, maybe now we have 2. Yeah, well, make them 3. We have 1 video for here and 1 for there, and then today, okay, we have 3. So you can look at those videos, look at them again, listen to them again, and you'll be all set. Okay, so remember, test next class period. And I do hope you have a fantastic day. That'd be a good one. Till next time.